This is a closer look at the Lokithor J400 jump starter here. Really nice packaging, shows what's exactly included inside here. So open it up. So right here we have like the instruction manual to tell you everything you need to know about the unit here. Then we have the jump starter right here. This is a really great size here. It's got the 5.75 display right here. It's going to show you everything you need to use when you're using this, when you're doing the jump start here. I like the fact that it's a really good size because this way when you're looking at it, you could see what the voltage is. It's going to show what the battery is on here. Just a really cool item here. It's got the in and out for the USB here, and the in and out for the USB-C and the USB-A right here. So just open it up. I like how it's got the rubber grommet on here, so it's going to stay protected if it's raining or anything outside. And then this side's just got the 12-volt out right here. So this is where the jumper tables are going to go. So we'll open it up here. Let's see what else is inside. Here we go. We're going to have the jumper tables right here. What's nice about these is they're spark proof, so if you touch them together, they're not going to like spark like the older style jumper tables would. And this is just a really easy way to put these on here right here. Just fits right in here. Just goes right in. And now here you go. You got your jumper tables right here. This is a really great way to jumpstart a car as opposed to like the old jumper tables, because this is just a much safer and secure option here. Cords are plenty long, so you could get you a ground on the with this one and get this power to the battery to the positive side here. It's just a really cool item. Again, you can see here, this is going to be able to fit in the glove box, in the trunk of your car, pretty much anywhere you're going to need to store this. And you can see how small this is. This is a really compact unit for such a powerful size. This is rated to jumpstart 25 times per charge here. So you're going to get a lot of use out of this. I believe this battery lasts for up to 24 months of storage. So you could just put this in your car, keep it, don't worry about it for 24 months, and you just got a battery charger here. So it also has the light right here, so you could just, if you need a flashlight here, you could just turn that on. It's got this for if you're having light distress, and just a really great option here. So definitely want to check this out. This is the Lokithor J400 12-volt jump starter. Really nice item.